Hi, my name's Craig and welcome to ECS Clinic. This video will walk you through how to take your oil-based cannabinoid medication. Shake your bottle well before unscrewing the cap. If the bottle adapter isn't already in place, insert it firmly into the neck of the bottle. Insert the tip of the syringe into the bottle adapter and press down until it is snug. The first time you do this, it might need a good push. Checking the syringe is nicely in place, invert the bottle so the oil in the bottle is at the top. Find the marking on the syringe that you need to draw it up to. For example, if your dose is half a ml, find 0.5 ml. If your dose is 1 ml, find 1 ml. Now draw back on the plunger until the oil reaches that mark on your syringe. Next, turn the bottle upright and remove the syringe by holding onto the barrel. Take your dose by aiming the tip of the syringe under your tongue and push the plunger into the barrel. If you can, let the oil stay under your tongue for as long as you can. Swallow the remainder of your dose. Remove the syringe and replace the cap on the bottle and store upright at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. And as with all medications, out of reach of children. If you wish to wash the syringe, separate the plunger from the barrel and wash with warm water. Allow it to dry completely before your next dose. Let us know if you'd like help on this or anything else related to your ECS treatment. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any further assistance, our team are here to support you.